Are you ready to finally unlock the life you've been working so hard to achieve? You're grinding every day, pushing forward, but still not seeing the breakthrough you desire. What if I told you that the key to getting there isn't about working harder? Instead, it's about aligning your energy in a way that lets you attract what you want. Today, I'm going to share a simple 2-word technique you can use before sleep to program your subconscious mind for success. Stick around, because once you learn this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Imagine this. You're watching people around you living the life they want effortlessly. Everything they desire seems to flow to them naturally, while you're still struggling with the same obstacles. I used to feel stuck in that cycle too. Then I discovered something that completely shifted my life. A simple 2-word technique that changed the way I manifest. By using this technique right before sleep, I tapped into the incredible power of my subconscious mind. It's so effective, yet so easy, that it almost feels like magic. But it's not magic. It's science combined with intention. Today, I'm going to walk you through this process step by step, breaking down why it works and how you can use it to manifest the life you've been dreaming about. Let's start with a foundational understanding of the subconscious mind. Many of us don't realize just how much of our lives are controlled by the subconscious. We're all born with the same potential for greatness, but as we grow, our environment, experiences, and even generational patterns begin to create limitations in our subconscious programming. Struggles with money, health, self-worth. These aren't our natural state. They're simply programs our subconscious has adopted, often based on beliefs handed down or shaped by our surroundings. Now, here's something fascinating. Your subconscious mind isn't just some quiet backroom in your brain. It's actually an incredibly powerful supercomputer that's working 24/7. While your conscious mind can only process about 40 bits of information per second, your subconscious handles 11 million bits per second. That's why it can run so much of our lives on autopilot, and why changing these deep-seated beliefs can lead to profound changes in our external reality. Now, here's where science really gets interesting. Did you know that our body is in a constant state of renewal? Every second, millions of cells are regenerated. Our skin renews every 27 days, our liver regenerates every 6 weeks, and our entire skeleton is renewed every 3 months. Essentially, every few years, we're walking around in a brand new body. Yet, many people still hold on to health issues, limiting beliefs about money, or an ingrained sense of struggle as a default state. The answer to this contradiction lies in one word: programming. Your subconscious mind holds onto programs and beliefs so deeply that even though your body is new, it continues to function under old beliefs. This is why some people experience the same challenges or beliefs their entire lives. They are running on programs that were installed in their subconscious years ago. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. This is the secret behind the success of Olympic athletes who use visualization. When they mentally rehearse a performance, their muscles actually respond as though they were physically performing. Their subconscious mind interprets these visualizations as real, programming their body and mind for success. Think about the last time you watched a scary movie. Even though you knew it was fiction, your heart raced, and you felt fear as though the scenes were actually happening to you. That's because your subconscious mind is reacting based on what it believes to be real. So when you visualize success, abundance, or health, you're training your subconscious to believe and embody these experiences. We spend about a third of our lives sleeping, and most people assume sleep is just downtime. But sleep is actually when your brain processes and organizes everything that happened during the day. The key to manifestation lies in 2 unique periods right before you fall asleep and right before you wake up. Scientists call these the hypnagogic and hypnopompic states. In these states, your brain waves slow down, moving from beta, active, to alpha, relaxed, to theta, which is deeply receptive. These brain states create an open door directly to the subconscious mind. That's why, for instance, you can set an intention to wake up at a specific time, and your body just does it. Or when a problem that seemed unsolvable at night has a clear solution in the morning. Your subconscious mind is active, processing information even as you sleep. So these moments before sleep are the perfect opportunity for you to program your subconscious mind with your desires. Now, here's the moment we've been building up to, the 2-word technique. During this pre-sleep state, you choose 2 words that represent what you desire most. But there's a science behind picking these words. Your 2 words need to meet 3 crucial criteria. 1. Choose words that truly reflect your goals and intentions. This resonance will make them more effective. 2. Your subconscious mind responds to feelings more than logic. So, pick words that feel uplifting and exciting. 3. If your words feel forced, they won't be as effective. If wealthy feels loaded with pressure, try abundant or prosperous instead. Choosing 2 words instead of 1 creates a balanced approach to your intention. Think of it as creating a synergy like the left and right hemispheres of your brain, or yin and yang energy. Together, they form a full circuit of manifestation. To make the most of this practice, follow these 5 steps, which I call the 5 Ps. 1. Preparation. Start by setting aside 15 extra minutes before bed. Dim the lights about an hour in advance and avoid screens to allow your mind to relax. Keep a journal by your bed for any insights that might come up. 2. Position. Lie down in bed comfortably, take 3 deep breaths, and relax each part of your body. Release any thoughts of the day and be fully present. 3. Present moment. Focus on the now. Acknowledge any lingering thoughts or worries, set them aside, and create a sense of calm. You're preparing your mind for a state of openness and peace. 4. Picture. Visualize yourself already living the life your 2 words represent. Use all your senses. Imagine what you'd see, hear, feel, and experience if your desired reality were already true. 5. Practice. Gently begin repeating your 2 chosen words. Alternate between them naturally, letting them flow with your breath. Let these words be your last conscious thoughts as you drift to sleep. If your mind wanders, just bring it back to the words, allowing them to settle deeply into your subconscious. But the process doesn't end when you wake up. To keep the momentum going, take a few moments to recall the words from the night before and feel their resonance in your body. Write down any dreams or insights. Set reminders or use small symbols as cues to remember your 2 words. Notice any signs or synchronicities related to your intentions. Take inspired actions when opportunities arise. One of my students, Janet, chose the words worthy and abundant. She had struggled with self-worth and financial insecurity for years. Within the first week of using this technique, she noticed a shift in her confidence. By week 3, she received an unexpected promotion opportunity, and within 2 months, her income had doubled. But beyond the material gains, she discovered a newfound relationship with herself that changed her life. Now it's your turn. Tonight, choose your 2 words and set the intention to repeat them right before you sleep. Keep a journal by your bed and track any insights, shifts, or dreams that come up. I'd love to hear what words you choose, so drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share this technique with others. It might just be the key they need to unlock their dreams too. Thank you for watching, and remember, when you align your subconscious mind with your goals, manifestation becomes effortless. See you next time.